Alhamdulillah for these blessings.
We are grateful every day.
Yay, biryani! Now the meal is finished. After we finish eating, we should remember Allah and thank Him for His wonderful blessings. Saying Alhamdulillah shows our love and gratitude to Allah. Allah sends the rain to water the earth. He makes the seeds grow into beautiful plants, fruits, and vegetables. Because of Allah's mercy, we have food to eat every day. Everything we eat is a precious gift from Allah.
The prayer after eating.
Alhamdu lillahil-ladhi. Alhamdu lillahil-ladhi. At'amana wa saqana. At'amana wa saqana. Let's make this a daily habit. Every time we finish eating, we should remember and say the dua after eating. Small good habits make us better Muslims every single day. Can you remember to say this dua after your next meal?
This beautiful dua reminds us to thank Allah for every meal we eat. Allah is the one who gives us food, water, and all the blessings we enjoy every day. Saying this dua fills our hearts with gratitude and reminds us to always thank Allah. Quiz time! What should we do after finishing our meal? Should we forget about it? Or should we thank Allah and say the dua after eating?
That's right. We should thank Allah and recite the dua. Great job, everyone.
Amazing job! Today you learned the beautiful dua after eating. Don't forget to recite it after every meal and share it with your family and friends. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell for more fun